The magic ring is a visual interactive manipulator for the primitives. This manipulator directly affects the values on the primitive property panels and the shape and parameter toolbars. The magic ring adjusts 14 different primitive settings with various clicks and drags. Some of them can be adjusted simultaneously for some unique effects. It is useful to note that the global rotation or mouse wheel rotation position and zoom controls will not turn off the magic ring while in use. We will start off with a simple cube to demonstrate the power of this manipulator. Left-clicking and dragging side to side on the blue diamond will rotate the primitive around its center. Right-clicking will add or subtract lateral faces. Our cube is now a cylinder. Left-clicking on the tan arc and dragging left or right will round out or sharpen the top and bottom edges. A right-click drag up and down will add or subtract horizontal divisions on these edges. Our cube now resembles a marshmallow. A right-click drag left and right will increase or decrease the vertical corner divisions and round them out. Right-clicking and dragging up and down on the red portion of the ring will increase or decrease the division of the base and top. Left-clicking on the red portion and dragging left and right will increase or decrease the radius of the object. Our cube is now a rounded cylinder. Dragging up and down with a left click will change the angle of the top and bottom faces. Note that the top and bottom faces can merge. Our cube now resembles a tire. The green portion controls the height of the object with a left-click drag up and down. Our cube is now a torus. With a left-click drag right or left, we change the angle of the side faces with the top and bottom simultaneously. A right-click on the green portion and drag left and right will increase the horizontal divisions of the sides. Dragging up and down will increase the vertical divisions of the faces. One more special control of the blue diamond that applies only to the torus needs to be mentioned. It is left-clicking and dragging up and down. This changes the starting angle of the torus, like so. You now know the basics of the magic ring. Pretty powerful that a cube can very quickly become a cylinder, a rounded cylinder, a sphere, a torus, a tire, the pentagon, a diamond, or an infinite number of other shapes. Once an object's parameters are set, you can click anywhere on the grid and duplicate the primitive. Switching to another and then back again will reset the parameters to their default state. Any primitive created can be saved as an object to your own custom object library, but remember that once the ring is turned off for a primitive, it cannot be restored. As you can see, with the magic ring, each primitive is much more than it appears. You now have the power to create an infinite number of geometric shapes. All these started out as cubes. One exception with the primitives that should be mentioned here is the geosphere. It is the only primitive that does not have a magic ring. Its only control is its property panel to adjust the resolution.